Hello, everyone, and welcome to Donastar Channel. My name is Kevin Tate. I am the Service and Inventory Manager of the Northeast region with Donastar Enterprises. We help customers serve quality beverages with confidence through our trusted network of service providers and our A team. We provide nationwide support backed by experienced service providers across the country. We specialize in beverage equipment repair, professional installations, upgrades, and removals, all while ensuring your water and your filtration systems deliver the best taste every time. Donastar Enterprises is your partner in keeping your beverage equipment running smoothly from coast to coast. Enjoy the video. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to go over removal of the QCD BIB connectors. I'm also going to go over the Coke connector and the Pepsi connector as well. But with the QCD connectors, you're going to grab the connector like so, and then it's kind of like a push-pull motion towards you, and then it will release. And then from there, you just unhook it and pull it straight towards you. And as you can see, it's a little build-up on there, so usually what I like to do is when changing the bib box, you can go ahead, once you have that bib connector disconnected, you can grab a cup of hot water or a bucket of hot water and place your bib connector inside of the hot water. Let it sit for a few minutes or so, and then that helps to clean off the bib connector. And you can I usually do it with a cup or a bucket of hot water and some sanitizer, and then just go ahead and let it rinse through. Once you have the bib connector cleaned off, you can go ahead and reconnect it to your new bib box. This should be done during every bib box change, every time you change out the bib box. And then when you put it back, you're going to use the same motion, hook it to the bib box, and then push the connector where it's flush so that you know you have a good connection. Hello everyone, this is another video on removing your bib connector from your bib box in order to replace your flavor. This is a simple Coke connector. They're always red, and you can just twist those off, and then like I said in some past videos, it's always good to go ahead and dip your connector in hot water, stir it around a little bit just to allow the hot water to get that any built up syrup off of the nozzle. I'm sorry, off of the connector. And then once you got the connector cleaned off, you can go ahead and replace your bib bag and reconnect your fitting. And that's how you would remove, clean, and reinstall your nozzle fitting for your bib bag. Thank you. And next, what I want to do is go over removal of a Pepsi connector. These are the green connectors. They will either be described as a Pepsi connector, or they will be described as a green connector. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and twist off your connector off of the bib bag. Go ahead and get a cup of hot water or a small bucket. Dip the
connector into the hot water, stir it around a little bit. Again, this allows the hot water to get the syrup buildup off of the connector, and your connector is now easier to turn. And then you can go ahead and install your new BIB box and go ahead and tighten your connector onto the BIB box. And that's all we have on the removal and reinstall of a BIB connector. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for choosing Donistar Enterprises, your nationwide partner for quality beverage service and water filtration solutions. For service support or to learn more about our service and filtration packages, call us at 833 366 2782. Or you can reach out to us online at www.donistar.com. Disclaimer: Donistar Enterprises training videos are for educational use only, focusing on quick fixes and minor repairs for commercial beverage equipment. These procedures are intended for individuals with relevant experience. If a repair or procedure exceeds your scope of service, please contact the equipment manufacturer's technical support or Donistar Enterprises at 833 366 2782. A certified technician can be dispatched to ensure safe and proper service. Donistar Enterprises is not liable for any damage, injury, or loss resulting from misuse or unauthorized application for the information in these videos.